Hello guys and girls, Raj here, back with another video. In this short demo video, we will learn how to use custom event bus along with content-based rule filtering. So this is one of the superpower of Amazon EventBridge. SQS SNS cannot do this. So if you want to invoke different targets based on the content of your payload, let's say you have a field in your message, and depending on a particular value in that field inside the message, it can invoke different targets. Alright, so let's jump into the high-level flow and then we'll do a demo. So let's start with high-level design first. So we have Amazon EventBridge service. We're going to create a custom event bus, and then we'll have a Lambda to push messages into this custom event bus, and then we are going to create a filtering rule. Only the messages satisfying these rules will be invoking the target. And for the target, we will have another Lambda reading the messages or events. Alright, let's jump into the console and first understand the Lambda which is publishing into the event bus and the Lambda which is reading from the event bus. Alright, I am in AWS console for Lambda service. The name of the Lambda to publish to EventBridge is publish to EventBridge. Let's scroll down for the code. Pretty straightforward code, doing a Boto3 connection to EventBridge. So events is EventBridge for Boto3. And then I am invoking a put event. The thing to notice is the actual message or the event is for this detail field. So you can see I'm grabbing whatever is passed as the input to the Lambda function in the event field. I'm grabbing it, doing a JSON.dumps, so converting from JSON to string, and then publishing it to this event bus. So after we create the event bus, I'm gonna paste the name of the custom event bus here. So if you decide to use this code, all you have to do is change this event bus with the event bus name that you create, and then it should work. The code I have given in my GitHub repository under Lambda. You can see publish to EventBridge, so you can pretty much copy paste for whichever way you want. Another thing to note is the role for this Lambda, right? So the role for this Lambda needs to have the policy to publish to EventBridge. So you can see the role of this Lambda has the access to publish to EventBridge. Alright, so now let's go and create the custom event bus. Okay, to go to EventBridge, I'm just gonna type EventBridge, click Amazon EventBridge, and then click Event Buses on the left. Scroll down, click Create Event Bus. So I'm going to name Custom Rule Demo. Scroll down, click Create. Okay, so event bus is created, custom rule demo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this ARN, go back to our publish to EventBridge Lambda, and then paste the ARN here. Okay, click deploy. Now let's create the rule. So let's say the messages will be coming like this: the name, salary field, and merit field. And we want to invoke particular target based on this merit field. So if the merit field has the value true, we will invoke the consumer Lambda. If the merit field doesn't exist or it has different value, then it should not invoke the target Lambda. So how do we do this in EventBridge? So let's go to EventBridge and then click on this hamburger menu, click rules. Change the event bus to the custom rule demo that we just created, click create rule. So the name, I'm gonna give merit filter rule, and click event pattern, and then click custom pattern. Now the pattern will look something like this. So the messages or events will always come under detail field. So if I go back to the Lambda, you will see that the messages is coming under the detail field, and then under detail field it is gonna look for the field married, and it must have the value true. Only then the target will be invoked for this rule. So click save, and then scroll down and you have to assign a target, like what should this EventBus do when that condition is true. So what you're going to do is I'm going to select a Lambda function called read EventBridge. I'm going to show you the Lambda function in a second. Click create. Okay, so it is created. So let's go back to the Lambda console to see this read EventBridge Lambda. All right, so this is the read EventBridge Lambda. Pretty simple Lambda. So all it is doing is printing the event that is coming and then returning the event. So basically, it's just printing out the message that's coming from the EventBus. Okay, so now that we have the custom rule set and the Lambda set, let's go back to the publisher Lambda and let's publish test 1. So let's go to test 1. So test 1 has the pattern which should be satisfied, married true. Okay, so from the test, I'm going to select test 1, click test. Okay, so now let's go back to the read EventBridge Lambda. So remember, this should be invoked because the rule is satisfied and should invoke the target. Okay, under the read EventBridge, I'm going to go to monitor and click view logs in CloudWatch. Okay, you can see today's date came. Expand this. Here we go. So you can see the Lambda got invoked and it received the message that we sent. So now test it out with a message which doesn't have this married field or has the married field set to false. So go back to publish to event. Okay, so now let me show you guys and girls the not matching pattern. So I have two test events. One is with married field true and another one with the married field false. Okay, so I'll also change the name just in case. Also have Bob. How about that? Okay, click save. Okay, and then we have the test 2 not matching pattern selected. Click test. So you can see the HTTP status code is 200. So the message has been successfully published to the EventBus. But if we go back to CloudWatch logs, we should not have any message for this particular event. Okay, so as you can see, no new message came. So this is just one example of content-based filtering in Amazon EventBridge event patterns. So you can see there are multiple ways to content filter this: prefix matching, anything but matching example, numeric matching, IP address matching, exists matching, etc. So give it a look. So this is the superpower of EventBridge. SQS SNS cannot do this. It cannot invoke different targets based on the fields in the message body itself. All right, like I said, a short and sweet demo video. If you like this video, if you thought this video was helpful, please do all the YouTube stuff. Click the like button, smash it if that's something you are into. That really helps YouTube algorithm. Click subscribe, share, put something in the comment. Let me know actually if you have any questions on this topic. All right, with that guys and girls, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.